Eric here with BoatAC.net. Commonly asked questions about how to blow out your lines. You could use muric acid, a mixture of water, but we prefer not to, just because it could damage part of the system. We just use water and air. And this is the contraption that we use. I'm gonna actually give you part numbers and such so you can build it yourself. And hopefully you can fix your units out of high pressure codes due to lack of water. Eric here with BoatAC. This is how you put together my flush kit. You can also find it in use on YouTube at BoatAC.net. Let's get right to it. That's the Y that splits off water and air. And this is garden hose. Garden hose and pipe thread are two different threads. You gotta make sure you get garden hose fittings. You should get it all from the garden hose section of your home store. So this is, and do not use a valve here. Make sure you use an open Y. So that's male thread, female thread. Then you need a male to go into that. Again, that's just male 3/4 garden hose to 5/8 barb. This is all 5/8 hose ID. That's a 5/8 barb fitting that you use to push onto whatever line you're trying to blow into, preferably after the pump. The second component is for the air system. Just a straighter valve, which is male to a female 3/4 hose there, to 5/8 barbed, 5/8 barbed to 3/4, and this connects your garden hose. Pretty simple. So we can just kind of quickly put this together. So we've got our air set up. This is going to go out. And this connection is our water setup. So let's do that real quick. Now you can see we have it. 5/8 to 5/8 barbed again, 5/8 OD hose, 3/4 garden hose fitting to 5/8 barbed there. Same here, 3/4 to 5/8 barbed, 5/8 barbed to 3/4 to the valve stem, and here to the valve. The valve part number is just there, 228712. The valve stem, which goes into here, is a blowout plug. I don't see a partner from this, but they do have it at Lowe's. If you ask someone, they can help you find it. Yeah, so hopefully that explains it. Just turn the water on, let it run for 20 seconds. Goes out the outbound line. Hit it with about 10 seconds of air here, and you should be all cleaned up.